It all began at a time where African American students can only attend all black schools. There's also a concept of separate but equal, meaning that the two races are separate but have equal opportunities. However, all black schools across the U.S. were far from equal compared to the all-white schools, which surpasses it in many things, such as wealth. In 1951, Oliver Brown filed a lawsuit against the Board of Education in Topeka, Kansas, for not sending his daughter to the all-white school she was supposed to attend. This became known as the Brown versus Board of Education of Topeka, Kansas. Successful lawyer Thurgood Marshall defended Brown during the case. Marshall was also the chief counsel of the National Association of the Advancement for Colored People. After being heard before the Supreme Court, the case combined 4 other cases and launched many protests on school segregation. The Supreme Court listened to each case in December 1952, and the defense that Brown faced against John W. Davis. Davis was a former presidential candidate, making the last of his 140 appearances in the Supreme Court. During the hearing, Davis argued that separation is equal, and African Americans should be grateful for their rights. Before the next hearing happened, in the following year, her Chief Justice Vinson died of a heart attack, and Earl Warren replaced him. With much effort by the justices, the case finally reached a conclusion of a 9-0 unanimous opinion. Reaching this conclusion, the Supreme Court said, "We conclude that in the field of public education, the doctrine of separate but equal has no place. It is also a violation of the 14th Amendment, therefore it is unconstitutional." This case took a huge impact on the civil rights movement, being called a decision that changed America for the better and forever. It serves as an inspiration for many other civil rights struggles across the nation, and it not only changed our law, but our schools and the future.